Singapore. Hey, you see I got my new DIY dead cat or DeadWombat. So you see this is the parabolic dish microphone, and I created this wombat out of a Rode one. So I went just to a store, they created this for me. You see there's actually pretty windy right now and the quality is pretty good. But what I was going to say is I'm going to get a bag for the Zoom F6. And why? If you watched my latest video in Lisbon when I talk about, oh, I don't need a bag. For me it's very easy to carry the recorder just around my neck, and I can just easily control it from here. I know there's already a bag out, but I saw the bag, but the bag makes everything already big, and I think if you have a small recorder, why would I have a big bag? Yeah, you can do this if you are in an environment that is pretty dry, but I realize I walk around a lot here in Singapore and other parts of Asia that I'm going to. So the problem is the humidity, right? And in a place like Singapore where there is actually rain season, the rain can just go on, just like snap, and then it starts to rain. But this is the case that I say, okay, no, I'm going to get the Stingray bag from KTek here at Audio Bridge, and that's what we're doing now. We're going to get this bag. And first we record a little bit of sound here because it is busy. There is a lot of ambience here, so let's just do this. So this Rode Windjammer or DeadWombat costs about $50 on B&H, or you can get it in another store, and then the alteration charged me about 20 Singapore dollars, so that's about 15 US dollar. So that's all. And you can see she also created this very nice line here where you can adjust the wombat here at the end, because normally it's on the side down below. So she turned it around so that I can easily fit it, and it's great. It's like nothing. Fantastic. There it is.
Yeah.
Woo! And here we have it. The Zoom F6 Stingray Bag from KTek. Now we'll be doing, taking out the recorder, put it right in here, and then I have finally a new bag. Bye bye. Happy New Year. Xie. To be honest, the December is perfect here in Singapore. The weather is just so nice, and yeah, as you can see, I got the new Stingray KTek bag. It's special customized for the Zoom F6 that I have here in my Love Pro bag with a bunch of other stuff. And now, let's see, let's fit this Zoom F6 inside this bag. Don't look too close. That's how my bag looks like most of the time. You know what's so cool about the Love Pro bag is it has a lot of these segments. But at one point, you know, you lose one, you lose two, you lose three. And now I think I don't need any of these segments anymore. I got a new tripod. Manfrotto, just bought them in Kuala Lumpur. Got them to a pretty good price. And then here's the Zoom F6. In the previous videos you saw that I used the Peak Design strap. Now with this, right now I don't need this anymore. Maybe later, you know. But for the bag right now, take this off. I use it, or oh, do you hear the kids in the background? Yeah, have fun because it's summer here, right? Oh, it's 8. These kind of sounds, they're actually pure gold. as I was preparing, you know, there's a sound in the background that is very interesting, you know, like kids on a swing, and also not only this, also the wind is very nice here. Then I could hear something like happening in the kitchen over there. Great ambience. So while I was preparing, just got another 3 minutes of amazing sound. Okay, now let's finally talk about the bag. So now when I have the bag in my hand, right, first thing is very light. So it's not a heavy bag, so it's a small bag, small recorder. Then you can actually fit the bag around your waist, and then you can also put them around your shoulders, right? These are the first things that I see. Then I also see there's the opening here, so that means later on I can control the recorder from above, right, from here. But then I also see that what I would love to have here might be something like a protection that you could maybe take out from here and you fix it here. So in case it starts to rain, you know, when I touch everything, I think the quality is really nice. It feels good, like the zippers open very quick, very fast, you can really tell. Suck. So this is cool. The clipper, they clip. You can hear it, it's actually a good sound effect. Also, if you wanna put the bag on the ground, you can use this function and you can clip it here, and then you can put the recorder somewhere and then it's face outside. So now let's put the Zoom F6 in the bag. Best is we open all sides. Zack. Here it is. Open here. So now that we have the Zoom F6 now here in the bag, it's important that you use these straps to place it right here. Number one. Then use the second one. There it comes. So it sits, that's nice. Zack. Okay. Now we have that recorder. We close this bag here. And here it is. Okay, the first thing what I see is that we have space here. Hello. So it means you can use the Sony battery if you want, or you can also put like a little power bank under here, and then you can also power up the F6 with the power bank. Maybe if you have like smaller cables, you can fit this in here. So let's close that bag here. Zack. For me, it's important that I have enough room for my XLR microphones. For example, the Uji Pro or the DPAs. So I have to figure that out. I tried right now with the Uji Pro, because I see this bag for me also as a stealth recording bag. So I already imagined how it would look like if I would have one of my microphones here and another one here, you know, and then I can just also walk around, have the recorder, might have used also just iPhone headphones, for example, that I can plug in here, have them looked out, and then you can monitor while you're recording. It's for example, a museum, airports, markets, just where you don't want to be so visible. Of course, there's no way I can fit the XLR cables for this microphone in it, but I'm still trying it out if I can fit them under here, but I don't think I could fit two of the XLR cables here down below. Okay, so let's see if I can use it for stealth. For example, I would fit this here. Oh, you see, this is a little tight. Oh, it works. You have to be careful here that you don't ruin it, but it would work, but it's still tight. But of course, for the most official recording spots in the field, for example, let's see, I would fit my bigger cable in here. Then this is how it would look like. And then you can just keep the bag open. Ta-da! Let's close this here. Now I try to get this here on the side. This is cool. Yeah. That will work. One here. Because I have more room here. Now let's see here, the other side. And there we have it. Let's turn on the recorder real quick. And there you go. Now we have a Stealth Stingray KTek Zoom F6 Ushi Pro bag with all this kind of fun stuff. It's not heavy, and then you could, as I said, you know, imagine we are sitting right now on the table and we would record in a market. Then I would place it right here, for example here, and I would record. So we just found another like very helpful accidental feature here of the bag that nobody knows. And yeah, the Ushi Pro, they come with magnets, right? So you can actually buy these magnets. And since we have here these metals, but it's not stainless steel, we can actually record right here. Sometimes you don't even have to do stealth. You can just record right here, and then you can adjust the, you know, these are omnidirectional, so they record in all these directions. So we're here at the end of the video, and yeah, no, the bag is great, especially for me who loves to record stealth on airport. This will be my new go-to bag with the Zoom F6 and the Ushi Pro to record, as I just mentioned, in airports and all other kinds for stealth recording. So for this is really great. Then also, as you have seen in the video, how we did the DIY with the Rode DeadWombat on our parabolic dish. So it's all great stuff. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video watching it. If you want to see more of these videos, you know the drill. Download, subscribe, you know, I don't even know the drill. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next video. Oi. Wow, I just found 10 Singapore dollar. So if you have never seen Singapore dollars, it's actually very nice. You can also put it right here on the wrist, so it's a little bit further away.
It's a waist, not a wrist.
Wrist, yeah. Or also you can have it here on your wrist, so it's a little bit waist, and then you can put it on a table, or also you can have it still on your wrist. Waist, what the hell? That goes in the blooper.